Guys, welcome to another Source Sounds video. Here we've got a Transit Custom. Basically this vehicle had got the Chinese screen in it, which I'll show you basically just shortly after this, and the customer said it worked really poorly. Right, okay guys, so we're inside the vehicle. This is the Chinese unit. It's obviously for the money, the cheap. Obviously it doesn't work with the steering wheel controls, so we can't increase and decrease the volume. The connectivity is very dodgy. Obviously the fitment, they do fit in there, but obviously it doesn't work with the next track, so it doesn't work with the steering wheel controls at all. Wi-Fi connectivity is pretty poor. The unit itself, as you look at it, does look sort of flashish, but these are not really very good quality. We're going to replace this with a Pioneer unit, far better quality one, add a reverse camera to it. I'll show you when it's all done. Right, so we're now at the rear of the vehicle. I'm just going to show you the reverse camera that we fitted, because this fits absolutely perfect up there. And there you go, so it fits really well, gives a fantastic view behind the vehicle, and we're going to show you that shortly. Right guys, so we're now inside the vehicle. This is this lovely Pioneer unit. As you can see there, fits lovely in the dash. It's a 9-inch tablet, so it's got Bluetooth calls, Bluetooth streaming. We've got Apple CarPlay wireless. Obviously it's greyed out at the minute because it's not paired in. Android Auto wireless, it's greyed out, it's not paired in. You've got a web link, obviously got Bluetooth calls, Bluetooth streaming, digital DAB radio, AM, FM. Go into sources, obviously there's all my stuff, aux-ins, normal AM, FM radio. We've also fitted a reverse camera on this vehicle, so if I pop the vehicle in reverse, there's your reverse image, lovely image. This, as I told you before, didn't work with the steering wheel controls. Well, now we increase and decrease that. Increases and decreases the volume, as you can see. So works with the steering wheel controls, next track, back tracks, that kind of stuff. We've also added power back to this. Was the original socket, but obviously this, when you take the factory radio out, stops working. We've put power to that, so this is when the ignition's on, passenger can charge the phone. And then we've also, up there, we've put the USB connection for this this screen, which again works really well. So for further information on upgrading your vehicle to have a better screen, touchscreen system, give the specialists at Source a call on 0114 257 1550 or email sales@sourcesounds.com. Thank you for watching.